Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, guys, and today I'm gonna make some curry chicken breast, some couscous mixed with mixed vegetable, some white rice with mixed vegetable, and a zucchini spaghetti. So let's go, guys. So right here I'm steaming down the mixed vegetable for the couscous. So watch the process, guys. Cooking down the mixed vegetable for the couscous, guys. So what is in there is some green seasoning. Here I go cooking the rice with some mixed vegetable, and I put some butter in there, some salt, and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Here you go, guys. The curry chicken is cooking down. I'm stirring it, guys, to get some gravy. Guys, so back to the mixed vegetable. I'm adding some water, and I'm stirring out the green seasoning that I put in there. Here goes the couscous, guys, and there goes my zucchini that I'm gonna use to make this spaghetti. And I'm putting in the couscous seasoning. Here goes the couscous, guys. I'm gonna put in the couscous now into the mixed vegetable. When you're cooking couscous, guys, you can't put a lot of water because it's steam. It's like just steam when you put in the water. So it takes like 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook. So you don't take a lot of time, so you can't put too much water in. Now I'm stirring everything together, and then I'm gonna cover it and make it. Here I go back, I'm stirring my white rice and mixed vegetable. I'm putting the rice that is on top under the bottom, and that's why I'm stirring it, so the rice that is on the top will go under the bottom to make it cook. Back to the curry chicken, guys. I'm stirring. Guys, just hope I know, guys, I'm going to shred my zucchini. So the shredder that I used to take off the skin off the zucchini, I can also use it to shred the zucchini to make spaghetti. Here we go, guys, what the process, guys. When I'm finished, guys, it's going to look like a really spaghetti. So guys, if you're still watching, please subscribe, comment, and leave a like, guys. I appreciate your support. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you very much. So there you go, guys. Here the spaghetti, zucchini spaghetti, guys. So whatever you want to put on this zucchini spaghetti, you put like some salad dressing. So what I'm gonna use on it is salad dressing, guys. I could use the gravy from the chicken or whatever you're eating. So guys, back to the couscous. So here I'm gonna stir it to make sure everything combines. See, all the water is dry out. And now it's steaming, guys, so you can't put a lot of water in your couscous because then it gets very soft. And you can't put no salt in it because the seasoning already have salt in it, guys. There you go, guys. The couscous is all done. Ready to eat. Here goes the rice again, guys. I'm just stirring the rice. to make the rice that is on top to go under the bottom. Back to the curry chicken, guys. So there you go, guys. Everything is all done. I'm ready to eat. So guys, if you're still watching, please subscribe and comment and like. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you. So guys, please turn on the notification